Today is... Okay, that's a better life. Hello everybody, this is KK and this is Let Me Cook That First. Today is Saturday and I don't feel like spending a lot of time in the kitchen while cooking, so I'm thinking, well, let's make something nice, but not super difficult. So today's on oval casserole, French style beef casserole. Ooh la la! Let's start. I need to set up my camera first. Okay, this is our shopping list, so you can see that we are going to turn this into that. Hey, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's cut the meat. I just cut my finger and I'm back. The meat is looking good, so back to chopping. Now I need to read this again because I already forgot what to do. Okay, so next step will be add I think the beef is ready now. I forgot about this. This also needed to be added. It's the red wine vinegar and we are going to use it. That looks really good. I can start preparing the rest of the ingredients. So I'm just going to chop some potatoes and carrot. Let's go.